Matcha latte smoothies and even matcha infused desserts are everywhere. But before you fully embrace the matcha craze, let's explore who might want to proceed with a little caution. Matcha is made from finely ground green tea leaves, offering a concentrated dose of beneficial antioxidants and nutrients. It is known for its potential health benefits, including boosting energy levels, promoting cognitive function, and aiding in detoxification. While generally safe for most healthy adults, there are some situations where matcha might not be the best choice. Matcha contains caffeine, and although less than coffee, excessive caffeine intake during pregnancy or breastfeeding can be risky. It is best to err on the side of caution and limit or avoid matcha during this time. Matcha's caffeine content can exacerbate anxiety symptoms like jitteriness, heart palpitation, or insomnia in those who are sensitive. If you experience anxiety, consider a gentle herbal tea instead. High consumption of matcha can interfere with iron absorption, potentially leading to iron deficiency in individuals with at-risk factors. In rare cases, high doses of matcha may cause liver damage, particularly in combination with certain medications. Matcha can irritate the stomach lining, potentially worsening symptoms for those with existing ulcers. Matcha can cause constipation, diarrhea, or nausea in some individuals, especially in high doses. Due to the caffeine content, matcha is not recommended for children under 12. Matcha might interact with some medications, so it is crucial to consult a healthcare professional if you are on any prescription before adding matcha into your routine. If you fall into one of these categories, don't worry, there are plenty of other delicious and healthy options to explore. Consider calming herbal teas like chamomile or lavender, or explore caffeine-free alternatives like rooibos tea. For those who can enjoy matcha safely, moderation is key. Limit your daily intake to a cup or two and avoid concentrated matcha shots or excessive amounts in baked goods. By the way, if you want to go in details about matcha's benefit and scientific studies about matcha, I have included another video in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video about matcha lattes. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. And don't forget to leave a comment below to share your own thoughts on matcha lattes. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, stay hydrated, stay healthy, and keep exploring the world of natural remedies. See you in the next video.